Can we delete all reposts on TikTok at once? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if it is possible to remove reposts all at once in TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you might want to do is open up your TikTok. Open up your TikTok and then you can head over to your profile to check your reposts. Head over to the bottom right corner and now you're on your profile. Now what you'll need to do is head over to the repost section. And right here you will notice that there is no option where you can delete all of your reposts. So even if you try to just select each and everything, it's not possible. So what you can do is to delete your reposts is that simply open up a repost that you reposted that. You can simply tap on you reposted option. And after you tap on that, you can remove the repost by tapping on reposted and then repost option. So after doing that, you will just get you'll just remove it from the repost, but you cannot actually remove everything all at once. You can try that, but it's not possible. So you will notice that you can, if you head over to your settings and privacy, and if you want to just report about this issue, you will notice that Facebook itself will tell you that multiple mass repost or mass on reposting is not yet available. That feature is not yet available. You can try to report this problem as well, so it will tell you the same thing. So I hope you now understand that deleting all reposts on TikTok at once is not possible. And yeah, that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.